Welcome to LEDlight.com. This is product number 21945, an infrared sensor, LED light switch. 12 to 24 volts DC. Uses only 3 amps. 60 watt output at 12 volts DC, and 120 watt output at 24 volts DC. Input wire measures 3.94 and output wire 7.87 inches. Switch measures 1.21 inches by 0.34 inches by 1.50 inches. Great for LED cabinet lights and much more. Mount behind cabinet door, so when door opens the switch will turn your lights on, and turn them off once door is closed. Sensor range up to 18 inches. 5mm connectors. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more LEDlight.com news. Thanks for watching.